2 years after Jupiter and Saturn joined Earth in rare planetary conjunction, Jupiter is once again heading towards us. The solar system's largest planet will hang in the skies later this month as it comes closest to Earth in nearly 70 years. On September 26, 2022, Jupiter will be visible in the entire night sky when it reaches opposition. Planetary opposition occurs when a celestial object rises in the east as the sun sets in the west, placing the object and the sun on opposite sides of Earth as seen from our home planet. According to the latest updates by NASA, it says that this opposition is special because it will be Jupiter's closest approach to Earth in 70 years. This is due to the difference in the orbits of the two planets around the Sun. Both Jupiter and Earth do not revolve around the Sun in perfect circles. This means that the planets will pass each other at different distances throughout the year. During the closest approach on Monday, September 26, Jupiter will be more than 58 million kilometers from us. Jupiter's closest approach to Earth rarely coincides with opposition, meaning this year's views will be extraordinary. According to scientists, while the planet will be closest to Earth, it will still be difficult to see with the naked eye thanks to the vast distance between us and the planet. However, our telescope can help magnify the view and bring the planet into focus. One should try and find higher ground with an open sky for better viewing. With good binoculars, the bending and 3 or 4 Galilean satellites should be visible. It is important to remember that Galileo observed these moons with 17th century optics.